In 6 weeks' time, I'm going to be running 106 kilometres in a big lap around the Isle of Wight. I'm 10 weeks into a runner ultra training plan. And come with me today on a 22k easy run. I've always enjoyed running and I've done a few ultras before. And in fact, you can go back on the channel and see one of those videos. For this one, I'm actually raising money for charity. I'm running for the campaign against living miserably. And so for my 106 kilometres of misery, please donate a little bit of money to the link on screen, and I'd really appreciate it. Today's actually the 23rd of March, and I'm in my hometown Hastings, where there should be a half marathon happening today. But because of a bomb threat, they've cancelled the race. And so I'm doing my own half marathon instead. Now, classically, I've set off far too fast. I'm doing 4:20 per kilometre. Not what I needed to do. It's supposed to be an easy run, but I'm just back from a 2-week holiday in Namibia. So I'm full of energy, but not for much longer. So I think I'm going to have to slow it down. I do love running by the seaside. Amazing views. Today, a bit of a tailwind. They only cancelled the run late last night, so all the infrastructure for it's still about. To stop the people cheering. They're packing it away now. Yeah, sad. Big loss of money for the town. I'll take you back. There's some drumming. The supporters are still here. Excellent. That's the reason we're closed. No idea what it was, but clearly they couldn't assure the safety of the runners. So I'm probably not going to run past. I imagine it's shut. So I get to Hastings, iconic marina court here. It's supposed to look like a boat, and then turn it around. So this is normally where you'd be putting the hammer down for the final finish. Closed off. Yeah, that's really sad. Look at that, must be 300 meters from the finish. Not my finish. So just coming up to 11k, halfway through this one, 45 minutes. Way too fast. But I thought now would be a good time to explain why on earth do I want to run 106 kilometers. And I suppose if you look at the other videos on this channel, they're all kind of challenges of some sort, be it a mountain, a run, or a trample drop. And I've never run more than 60k. I've always enjoyed running. So let's see how far I can push myself by stepping it up to 106. There's not really much logic there, is there? But if we can raise some money, and I'll learn something about myself, such as how long my toenails last before they fall off, or how many gels cause me to explode. I've certainly slowed down now. I've got lost, and I'm on it's an old railway line. Never been here before, but I'm hoping it's going to join to a road that I thought I was going to be on. Classic. Best laid plans, or rather, no plans at all. Carbon shoes were the wrong choice for this sort of trail. No traction. Yep. I'm definitely lost now. Pace is 4:36 average. This is going to slow it down a bit. I've got to put a shift in. There's a bloody river. Oh dear. Hastings Half 2025 is going well. There is looks like someone's made a log bridge over there. Let's have an adventure. I mean, I don't think that's the right way to go, do you? Well, I guess we're turning around. We're at 20k. It's going to be slightly longer than a half marathon. Surely you can't just stop the road. Oh god. My concern is I'm quite high now for Hastings, and there's a lot of water around me, so I think I might be swimming. That'd be entertaining. It's more of a triathlon. I've got my bike, I can go for a ride as well. Now, I did run past a left turn up here with a sign next to it, which obviously I didn't read. Here's the sign. Ah, it's a viewpoint, not the road. I should read really. Let's follow the edge of this field. I'm sure the ultra's going to get like this, getting lost and being way more than I need to run. It's all good practice. Remind me never to wear carbon race shoes in a divoted field. Ultimate way of snapping an ankle. Just about managing. Oh, lovely. Even more ways to die today. It's a run to remember, or not. Let's find this ball. That'll make me run, won't it? This is the race finish I was looking for. Oh, hey. Lightly jog. That is lovely to look at. That's not. This is when I get wet. Should I hold on to this thorny bush? Get me arse in the thorns. Oh bloody hell, how hard is that? Oh, completely soft. Okay. Oh, this is entertaining, isn't it? Not for me, but probably for you watching. Oh, okay, we'll have a wet foot. Okay. Oh, this is going very well. I've got to wade through this. Oh, dearie me. I am so annoyed. 21k through the slowest finish to any half, and I'm still maybe 6k from home. Classic. So what I think of you. I think this could be just a bog on the other. Oh no. So I need to get to there. Oh no, it's okay. It's runnable, lads. Beautiful. Put those sunglasses on so you can't see the pain in my eyes. Oh, that smells terrible. Okay, I'm just committing to the mud now. Oh dearie me. Well, a hilarious run. There's some proper runners out there, avoiding the bog. There's muggins here. Whoa. I could cry. I bet you all clicked on this at the beginning and go, oh, professional looking runner. Sunglasses. No. Amateur. And that is across the line in 1:42. 12 minutes off the pace. 22k done. 1 hour 45. So that's the scheduled runner distance done. And I don't really know how far I am from home. I haven't got a phone, so I can't call anybody to pick me up. We're finally finishing up. 27 kilometres. That's more than I wanted to bloody run today. It's interesting, the psychology of it, you know, when you set out with the distance in mind, when you hit it, you're a long way from home. You just want to stop. It takes a lot of grit to keep going. Grit that was kind of lacking after 2 weeks out of running, but nearly there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this quite random run video. But again, reminder, doing 106k ultra. It's in the Isle of Wight, it's a full lap. It's in May. Please do sponsor me for possibly a hopefully less catastrophic run than today, but I'm sure it'll be even more painful. Cheers.